Can't connect. Where did I put that Wi-Fi password? I thought I put it in this book. Or was it in the drawer? No, I put it right here in this book, and now it's gone. So what the hell is going on?
You seem a little frustrated. Need some help?
Whoa.
Relax, I'm Chip, the Wi-Fi guy's AI assistant avatar. I'm here to help you with your network problems.
Okay, I can hear you, I can feel you, but I can't see you. What the hell is going on?
That's the magic password.
So what the hell is going on is my Wi-Fi password?
That's how you summoned me.
Oh, okay. I'll keep that in mind.
So Dave, judging by the chaos, I'm guessing you've forgotten your Wi-Fi password.
Yeah, I keep running into it whenever I'm not looking for it. And now the first time I really need it, it's gone. Wait a minute. How do you know my name?
I'm AI Dave, I know everything.
Oh, so you know my password?
Yes, but I'm not going to give it to you. I'm going to show you how to get it yourself in case this happens again.
Oh, you mean like the whole give a man a fish or teach a man to fish for a lifetime thing?
What?
You know, the story. Okay, never mind. I'm not explaining myself very well. Let's get back to my password.
No problem. It happens to the best of us. Luckily, I can guide you through finding your Wi-Fi password. It's easier than you might think.
Okay, Chip. What's the next step?
First, we'll log into your router. Do you know your router's IP address?
My router's what?
Let me show you. Go to the command prompt.
Go to the command what?
Look at your screen and I'll show you.
Okay, so you're on my computer now. I guess I trust you.
You get to the command prompt by typing in CMD here. And this pops up. Okay, so we type in IPCONFIG here. This pulls up the basic network configuration on your computer.
Okay, so this looks like something the IT guy at work would do.
That's right, Dave. You don't have to be the IT guy to do this yourself. The gateway is your router's IP address. We type that into a browser and we get your wireless router's web interface. Okay, did you change your router's admin password?
My what? No, I just plugged it in and typed in whatever was on the back. And I changed the Wi-Fi password because the instructions told me to.
That's good. If you changed your admin password and forgot it, we would have to reset your router to its factory defaults and start all over again. But this makes it easier for us.
Okay, I don't remember the default admin password.
No problem. We can look that up online. Type in the make and model of your wireless router, followed by the words default admin username and password into Google.
Well, that was easy.
Okay, enter that into the router's web interface.
Boom! I'm in. I feel like an IT guy.
That's great. Okay now, all wireless routers are different, so to find your Wi-Fi password, you're going to have to search for the words Wi-Fi or wireless.
You mean this over here?
Yes, go ahead and click on that.
There it is.
Go ahead and type that into your phone, Dave.
I'm in.
That's great. Later, you may want to go into the admin section and change your admin password for better security.
Well, that was awesome. I feel like I grew some IT brain cells or something. What else can I do?
Ha! You remind me of the Wi-Fi guy when he first got into IT.
Okay, well, thanks for your help, Chip. Tell the Wi-Fi guy I said hi.
Anytime, Dave.
Well, back at you, Dave. This is Jerry, the Wi-Fi guy. I got a couple more ways for you to recover your Wi-Fi password. Let me show you. Okay, so now this only works if you have a computer that's already connected to the Wi-Fi. So say you bring another device into the house and you want to connect it to your network, and it's been ages since you used the Wi-Fi password and you can't remember it. This is a quick, easy way to do it on a Windows computer that already has a Wi-Fi connection. So on Windows 11, you go down here, you type Control Panel. Click on Control Panel. Okay, now on Windows 10, if you do that, you get this. And what you're looking for is Network and Sharing Center. So you click on that, then you go to Change Adapter Settings. But let's stick with Windows 11 now, since most people have Windows 11. Okay, so once again, in Windows 11, we go down here, we go to Control Panel, and then instead of clicking on Network and Internet, we click on this, View Network Status and Tasks. So then you go to Change Adapter Settings, and it's so simple. You right-click on the Wi-Fi network you're looking for, you right-click, you go to Status, and this is the same thing in Windows 10. You go to Wireless Properties, then you go to Security, and then you click Show Characters. Boom, there's our password. Now, if you thought that was easy, you could do the same thing even quicker and easier if you have a newer Android smartphone. The process is a bit different on more recent iOS phones. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to find the wireless network we're trying to connect to. In our case, that's Dave's Den, and we're connected. Got to make sure we're connected for this to work. Click on it. And then down here, there's this magical share button that almost nobody ever notices. Well, you click on it, and it gives you two things. A, it gives you a little QR code that you can use to connect other devices with. And right down here, there's your password. Okay, so there are 3 ways you can use to recover your Wi-Fi password. The purpose of this channel is to make tech make sense for people who like technology but don't want to spend all their time with their face buried in instruction manuals. Let's face it, the world we live in is driven by technology, and the more you understand it, the better off you are. Now, if you're the kind of person who likes understanding how things work and takes pride in doing things yourself, you might find my Home Network Mastery course interesting. It teaches some easy-to-learn IT skills you can use to set up, troubleshoot, and upgrade your home network like a pro. The link is in the description below. Also, if you have any ideas for more troubleshooting videos like this one, leave them in the comments below. And as usual, if you found this video helpful, please tweak the algorithm in my favor by liking and subscribing. Thanks.